Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best security camera system to protect your home, family, and property, you've come to the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best security cameras on Amazon in 2026. Whether you're looking for solar-powered cameras, wireless installation, color night vision, AI motion detection, or complete 360-degree coverage, today's list has something for every homeowner. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Hiseeu Wireless Security Cameras Outdoor. Taking the number 1 spot is the Hiseeu Wireless Security Camera System. This powerful home security solution features dual-lens cameras with full 360-degree pan and tilt functionality, allowing you to monitor larger areas with fewer blind spots. The system supports both 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connections and includes a built-in 1 TB hard drive for local video storage without monthly subscription fees. Additional features include intelligent auto tracking, color night vision, remote monitoring, and crystal clear video recording for around-the-clock protection. Pros: dual lens camera design, 360-degree pan and tilt coverage, auto tracking technology, color night vision, 1 TB HDD included, no subscription required. The Hiseeu system offers premium surveillance features, reliable storage, and outstanding coverage, making it our top overall pick for 2026. Number 2. GMK Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor 4-Pack. Coming in at number 2 is the GMK Wireless Outdoor Security Camera Kit. This 4-camera system delivers sharp 2K HD video quality in completely wireless installation thanks to its rechargeable battery-powered design. It features color night vision, motion detection alerts, 2-way audio communication, and IP65 weather resistance for year-round outdoor use. The cameras also support remote access through a smartphone app and offer both cloud and microSD storage options. Pros: sharp 2K HD video, battery-powered wireless design, color night vision, 2-way audio communication, weatherproof IP65 construction, remote smartphone access. For homeowners seeking easy installation and dependable monitoring, the GMK system offers excellent value and convenience. Number 3. Aosu Solar Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor. At number 3 is the Aosu Solar Security Camera System. Designed for hassle-free home security, this 4-camera kit features built-in solar charging, eliminating the need for frequent battery maintenance. The cameras record in clear 2K resolution and include PIR motion detection combined with AI human recognition for more accurate alerts. With local video storage and no subscription fees, it's a cost-effective solution for long-term home protection. Pros: solar-powered operation, 2K HD video recording, AI human detection, color night vision, easy installation, no monthly subscription fees. The Aosu system combines smart detection technology and solar convenience to create a reliable and user-friendly security solution. Number 4. ANSQUE Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor Home System. Taking the 4th spot is the ANSQUE Security Camera System. This solar-powered 4-camera kit delivers impressive features, including 360-degree PTZ coverage, intelligent auto tracking, color night vision, and local storage without recurring subscription costs. One of its biggest highlights is the long battery performance, providing up to 365 days of operation under normal usage conditions. The cameras automatically follow moving subjects to improve monitoring effectiveness. Pros: solar-powered cameras, 360-degree PTZ functionality, auto tracking technology, 2K color night vision, local storage support, long battery life. For homeowners wanting advanced tracking features and solar-powered convenience, the ANSQUE system is a strong contender. Number 5. Hiseeu Solar Camera Wireless Outdoor System. Rounding out our list is the Hiseeu Solar Camera Wireless Outdoor Security System. This 4-camera kit features solar charging, support for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks, and sharp 4-megapixel video recording. The cameras offer full pan and tilt functionality, color night vision, and local recording through the included 500 GB hard drive. Its combination of renewable power and flexible viewing angles makes it a practical choice for home security. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best security cameras on Amazon in 2026. Whether you're looking for AI-powered motion detection, solar-powered convenience, color night vision, wireless installation, or complete 360-degree surveillance, these security camera systems offer some of the best protection available today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.